Bienvenue. Welcome back to French class. Today's lesson is going to transform how you express yourself in French. By the end of this class, you'll be able to describe people, places, feelings, and things using 20 essential French adjectives that native speakers use every single day. Why is this so important? Right now, you know nouns and verbs in French, but without adjectives, you can't really communicate. You need to say the big house, the beautiful city, I'm happy. That's what we're unlocking today. This is the difference between basic communication and actually expressing yourself. Now, before we jump in, here's something important about French adjectives that's different from English. In French, most adjectives come after the noun, and they change to match the gender, masculine or feminine. I know that sounds complicated, but don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how it works with every single example. You'll see it's actually a C. Lire pattern. Ready? Allons-y. All right, let's start with our first adjective, and you'll use this one constantly. Grande or grande. This means big or tall. For masculine nouns, say grande. For feminine, grande with an E. A big house. House is feminine in French. La maison. Une grande maison. Une grande maison. A tall man. Man is masculine. Un homme. Un grand homme. Un grand homme. Notice the adjective comes after. Second adjective. Petit or petite. This means small or little. Opposite of grande. A small car. Car is feminine. Une voiture. Une petite voiture. Une petite voiture. A small boy. Boy is masculine. Un garçon. Un petit garçon. Un petit garçon. Pro tip: when you're learning adjectives, always practice both forms, masculine and feminine. This way you'll remember both. Third adjective, bon or bonne. This means good, essential for expressing quality. A good book. Book is masculine. Un livre. Un bon livre. Un bon livre. A good idea. Idea is feminine. Une idée. Une bonne idée. Une bonne idée. Good coffee. Coffee is masculine. Le café. Bon café. Bon café. Fourth adjective. Mauvais or mauvaise. This means bad, the opposite of bon. Bad weather. Weather is masculine. Le temps. Mauvais temps. Mauvais temps. A bad idea. Une mauvaise idée. Une mauvaise idée. Fifth adjective, beau or belle. This means beautiful or handsome. Very common for compliments. A beautiful city. City is feminine. Une ville. Une belle ville. Une belle ville. A handsome man. Un bel homme. Un bel homme. Wait, why belle and not beau? Good catch. Before a vowel sound, beau becomes belle. It's easier to pronounce. Sixth adjective, jolie or jolie. This also means pretty or beautiful, but it's a bit less formal than belle. A pretty dress. Dress is feminine. Une robe. Une jolie robe. Une jolie robe. A pretty garden. Garden is masculine. Un jardin. Un joli jardin. Un joli jardin. Seventh adjective, nouveau or nouvelle. This means new. A new car. Une nouvelle voiture. Une nouvelle voiture. A new phone. Phone is masculine. Un téléphone. Un nouveau téléphone. Un nouveau téléphone. Eighth adjective, vieux or vieille. This means old, the opposite of nouveau. An old house. Une vieille maison. Une vieille maison. Son. An old book. Un vieux livre. Un vieux livre. Common mistake alert. Students often put the adjective before the noun like in English. They say belle une ville instead of une belle ville. Remember, most adjectives come after the noun in French. Ninth adjective, heureux or heureuse. This means happy. I am happy, masculine speaker. Je suis heureux. Je suis heureux. I am happy, feminine speaker. Je suis heureuse. Je suis heureuse. A happy person, feminine. Une personne heureuse. Une personne heureuse. 10th adjective, triste. This means sad. Good news, it's the same for both genders. I am sad. Je suis triste. Je suis triste. A sad story. Story is feminine. Une histoire. Une histoire triste. Une histoire triste. 11th adjective, facile. This means easy. Also the same for both genders. French is easy. Le français est facile. Le français est facile. An easy exercise. Un exercice facile. Un exercice facile. 12th adjective, difficile. This means difficult or hard, the opposite of facile. This is difficult. C'est difficile. C'est difficile. A difficult question. Question is feminine. Une question. Une question difficile. Question difficile. 13th adjective, rapide. This means fast or quick. Same for both genders. A fast car. Une voiture rapide. Une voiture rapide. A fast train. Train is masculine. Un train. Un train rapide. Un train rapide. 14th adjective, lent or lente. This means slow. A slow car. Une voiture lente. Une voiture lente. The internet is slow. Internet is masculine. L'internet est lent. L'internet est lent. 15th adjective, chaude or chaude. This means hot. The coffee is hot. Le café est chaud. Le café est chaud. Hot soup. Soup is feminine. La soupe. La soupe chaude. La soupe chaude. 16th adjective, froid or froide. This means cold. Cold water. Water is feminine. L'eau. L'eau froide. L'eau froide. A cold beer. Beer is feminine. Une bière. Une bière froide. Une bière froide. 17th adjective, cher or cher. This means expensive or dear. This restaurant is expensive. Ce restaurant est cher. Ce restaurant est cher. An expensive watch. Watch is feminine. Une montre. Une montre chère. Une montre chère. 18th adjective, bon marché. This means cheap or inexpensive. Interesting, this one never changes. A cheap hotel. Un hôtel bon marché. Un hôtel bon marché. Cheap tickets. Ticket is masculine. Un billet. Des billets bon marché. Des billets bon marché. 19th adjective, plat or pleine. E. This means full. The restaurant is full. Le restaurant est plein. Le restaurant est plein. A full glass. Glass is masculine. Un verre. Un verre plein. Un verre plein. 20th adjective. Vide. This means empty. Same for both genders. The glass is empty. Le verre est vide. Le verre est vide. An empty room. Room is feminine. Une chambre. Une chambre vide. Okay, practice time. I'm going to give you 3 sentences in English. Pause and try building them in French. Remember, adjective usually comes after the noun. Sentence 1. A small house. Pause now. Answer, une petite maison. How did you do? Sentence 2. The coffee is hot. Try it. Le café est chaud. Perfect. Sentence 3. I am happy if you're a woman speaking. Give it a shot. Answer, je suis heureuse with the feminine form. If you got 2 or more right, excellent work. You're really getting French adjectives. Now, before we finish, the biggest mistake I see students make, forgetting to change the adjective to match the gender. They say une voiture rapide instead of une voiture rapide, or they say un livre bon instead of un bon livre. Always check, is the noun masculine or feminine? Then match your adjective. All right, let's recap. Today we learned 20 essential French adjectives. Most adjectives come after the noun in French, and they must agree in gender, masculine or feminine. Some adjectives, like facile, triste, and rapide, stay the same for both genders. Others change. Grande becomes grande, bon becomes bonne. Look at what you can do now. You can describe anything in French. You can say a big house, a small car, I'm happy, the coffee is hot. That's incredible. You're not just saying nouns anymore. You're adding color and detail to your French. Your homework. Practice describing 10 things around you in French using these adjectives. Say them out loud. Une grande fenêtre. Un petit téléphone. Write 5 of them down and comment below. I'll correct them for you. Next class, we're learning how to build French sentences from scratch. The exact patterns you need to express any idea. This is where everything comes together. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Excellent work today. À bientôt. See you soon.